Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Watch Without Service. I hope all of you are doing great. Today I will work on this ultra thin watch from the mid 80s. This watch is from Seiko. It is called Lassale. It has a quartz movement. It requires SR712 battery. This video will feature this movement disassembly. Unfortunately, I was not able to record its assembly because this movement rain wheel bridge was taking too much time. First I will remove its ECB. It will have 3 screws, and here is the negative connector, and next to it there is positive connector. Now I will take out the coil block. It will have 2 screws. And now I will take out the train bridge, and in this moment all the wheels are below this bridge from our wheel to step rotor. So here we can see all the wheels. There are total number of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 number of wheels below the train bridge, and there will be one clutch wheel in the keyless work. And here is the center wheel. It will have a small ring and a washer.